What's up, everybody? It's Jay here at the Aimless Cook, and I'm stuck in the house, like a lot of you. And what do? Basically, you do the things you like to do, and for me, that's to cook. So we looked into the kitchen, see what we have. We got some shrimp, we have some bagoong in the fridge, some butter, and garlic. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna make some bagoong garlic butter shrimp. Yep. So kind of take on the Hawaiian garlic shrimp that you get at like Giovanni's food truck, but with a little Filipino twist, because we're going to put the bagoong for that umami flavor. It's going to be incredible. It's super simple. I'm going to show you how to do it right now on the Aimless Cook. So we're going to start this recipe by mincing 6 large cloves of garlic, and then we're going to set it aside. Bagoong is a Filipino ingredient that is comprised of fermented baby shrimp made into a paste. It has the pungency of fish sauce, and flavors can range from super funk to slightly mellower super funk. It depends on whether you get the sauteed version or the regular version. Filipinos usually enjoy bagoong as a seasoning condiment for kare-kare, which is an oxtail peanut stew, or on the side with some grilled eggplant and green mango. So in a bowl, I combined 1 stick of room temperature butter with a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half of the bagoong paste. Now you can set it aside if you're going to use it right away, or roll it up into a torchon in a kitchen wrap and refrigerate for later. It's an excellent compound butter that you can use for many kinds of seafood or for a quick add to noodles. Now the next thing we're going to do is heat up a teaspoon of oil in a non-stick pan on medium-high heat. We're going to add some shrimp, this is about 1/3 pound, to the pan and gently saute for about a minute and moving as we go. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of the bagoong butter and continue to cook until the shrimp are almost opaque. We're going to add the garlic and fried shallots and continue to move the shrimp around the pan. Now we're going to wait until they're almost done, and then we're going to deglaze the pan with about 1/4 cup of cooking sake. We'll let that cook off until we have a nice and slightly thickened garlicky butter sauce. Remove from the heat and put into a serving plate, and finish with chopped scallions.
Like it. This is one of the best things I actually had.
That is how easy it is to make the bagoong garlic butter shrimp. Super easy to do, and at least now you know what to do with that jar that you got hanging out in your fridge, if you have that in your fridge. If you don't, you can always find it at the grocery store, at the Asian grocery or a Filipino store. So take this recipe with you, make it yours, and have fun in the kitchen, which brings me to my question of the day. What weird condiment do you have lurking in your fridge door that you have no idea what to do with? Let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, comment, and be sure to hit the thumbs up if you like what you see. So we got some more great videos coming up, so be sure to join me on the next one. See you later. Bubs. Hey, Bubs. Bubs. Hey, Bubs.